Alright guys, what's going on? So today I'm doing a quick little video on how to mount a truck, a flag in the bed of your truck. I know I did one on the Cummins, that orange one I had, but this is on this truck. So as you can see, I've already got this pole in. And what I've done is I've used I went to the hardware store and I grabbed this it's like a hook shaped thing like that with just a thread on the end of it, and we've got a washer and two nuts to lock each other because I didn't have any lock washers left, and basically yeah, that's all it is. And right on this side, like as you can see, there's just a little rubber stop, so you just pull that out and there's a hole there on the Ford truck, so just put the hook in there and it is totally solid. The bottom of this rod, this is a tent pole, so one end is like staked, and then just put that in the hole down there and it's solid in there. So I'm putting a flag in because today is July 29th or something. Canada Day is the 1st, so got a big old Canadian flag, 3x5 or 3x6 or something. So I'm gonna toss that on, and basically I'm gonna use zip ties, hose clamps, and we'll see where this gets us. And while I'm doing that, I've been painting these wheels. These are some XXRs I picked up from work. I got the rims and tires for 140 bucks. Michelin Pilot Super Sports. They're really good tread. Like, they were black and they're all curbed, but the white hides a lot of that curbing, so yeah, like they look awesome. I can't believe I got them for such a good deal. So I've been painting the face of them. I just gotta paint the barrel quick. Not gonna go too crazy on the barrel, but yeah, I'm gonna throw another couple coats down on those two. That one and the one over there are done pretty much, so yeah. So let's go throw this flag by these wheels. I'm painting the barrel now. This one's face is done. I'm just waiting for it to dry a little bit. Then flip it over and I gotta paint the barrel on that one. They're coming out awesome. And I've got the flag mounted. Just need, I need a pair of wire cutters. Okay, wire cutters. So this is what I've done. There's a hose clamp underneath there, so hose clamp is going to hold it from going up. Zip tie is loose. I'm going to throw another one around top and bottom. And up top, same thing. Hose clamp on the bottom to stop it from going down. Zip tie to hold it, and then this nub up top will stop it from going over the top. And she's on there, so yeah, basically I just needed to add another zip tie top and bottom and trim these off, and it's done. Okay, there we have it. Big flag. I think this is like even bigger. I think it's a 3x6. There we go. Hopefully I can get a good angle. Pretty nice. So I'm going to finish painting up these XXRs, and yeah. Alright, so XXR 527s. It's a staggered setup, came off a 350 or a G35. 18 or 19 by 8 3/4 in the front, 19 by 9 3/4 in the rear, 15 offset all around, 235s on the front, 245s on the rear, all Michelin Pilot Super Sports. And I'm going to attempt to put these on a Mazda 3, a 2007 Mazda 3. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna need some tuner lugs, but yeah, other than that, the XXRs, they're done. Center caps are on. At least I did something successful today. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.